today. And I'm going to start by cutting the onion. For this, you have to leave the root intact. So after I diced the onion, I had some oil, some canola oil in the pan, heating. Now I'm caramelizing them. I added some salt, and I'm going to cut some celery up. So after I dice that celery, just throw it in there and make sure to stir occasionally. So I small diced that carrot and throw that in there as well. I'm about to use a poultry blend. It has thyme, rosemary, and sage, but you can use dried. So I also like to add a bay leaf or two. And then I'm going to cut some lemons, but I'm just going to use them for juice. At this time, I'm just washing the chicken, just rinsing it with water. I'm just large dicing, and then I'm going to season this with lemon juice and salt. I add the chicken and cook it covered. I like to add bouillon cubes to my pasta water just because it gives me some extra saltiness and stock. So once the chicken was cooked, I added turkey stock, but you can use chicken stock. And then I'm going to add hot sauce. You can use your favorite. I'm using Red Hot here. So now that bouilloned pasta water, I added to the rest of the soup base. And I keep my noodles and the soup stuff separate because I like to store it without the noodles getting too soggy.